We'll guide you through how to manage teams in Asana. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Asana website. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the sidebar on the left. Here, you should see all the teams you're part of. To create a new team, click on the Add Team button, usually found at the bottom of your existing teams list. A pop-up will appear where you need to enter the team name and optionally a brief description. After that, click on Create Team, and your new team will be set up. Now, to add members to your team, select the team from the sidebar. You'll see an invite button or icon at the top right corner. Click it and enter the email addresses of the people you want to invite. They will receive an invitation to join your team. If you need to manage team settings, like permissions or team information, click on the team name to enter the team page. Here, you'll find a team settings option, usually under a menu button or directly visible at the top. In the settings, you can update the team name, description, and manage who can view or join the team. For organizing projects within your team, go to the team page and click on Add Project to create a new project. Follow the prompts to set it up, choosing between list or board views depending on your preference. You can then assign tasks to team members and set deadlines. Remember, keeping your team organized with clear projects and tasks is key to effective collaboration. If you need to remove someone from a team, go to the team members list, click the three-dot menu next to their name, and select Remove from Team. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.